has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by improving diagnostics, developing personalized treatment plans, monitoring patient progress, and reducing costs. However, there are also challenges that need to be addressed to ensure the accuracy and reliability of AI algorithms and protect patient privacy. As AI technology continues to evolve, it is important for healthcare providers to stay up to date with the latest developments and implement best practices to ensure the safe and effective use of AI in healthcare. Artificial intelligence technology has made enormous progress in the past decade and is now being applied to improve various areas of healthcare. AI systems have the potential to assist clinicians in making better and faster diagnoses, enable drug development in new ways, and automate many routine administrative tasks. Some promising examples of how AI is contributing to healthcare include medical diagnosis. AI systems are being trained on large datasets of medical images and patient records to identify patterns that help diagnose conditions like cancer, eye diseases, and skin conditions. These AI tools can analyze medical scans much faster than humans and point out abnormalities that clinicians may miss. They have the potential to improve screening accuracy and speed up the diagnosis process for patients. Drug development. AI and machine learning are speeding up the drug discovery process by identifying promising molecular compounds that could serve as drug candidates. AI tools like IBM Watson for drug discovery can analyze huge datasets of scientific literature, clinical trials, and molecular properties to suggest new compounds that may show effectiveness for certain conditions. This has the potential to significantly shorten the time from drug discovery to clinical use. Predictive analysis. AI is allowing healthcare organizations to analyze huge amounts of patient data to identify those most at risk of future health issues. By recognizing patterns in data like diagnoses, symptoms, lifestyle behaviors, and family history, AI tools can predict which patients are likely to develop conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. This enables more proactive care and disease prevention strategies. Personal health assistants. Companies have developed virtual health assistants powered by AI that help patients manage their conditions at home. These assistants can monitor key metrics like blood pressure and glucose levels, recognize concerning symptoms, order supplies, and schedule doctor appointments. Over time, they get better at helping individual patients by learning from past interactions and health data. They have the potential to improve at-home care and assist with complex conditions. Medical imaging. AI is improving the accuracy and efficiency of medical imaging tasks like MRIs, CT scans, and mammograms. AI systems can analyze medical images much faster than radiologists and often detect anomalies that humans miss. They empower clinicians to make more informed diagnostic and treatment decisions based on enhanced insights from medical scans. This is leading to earlier detection of diseases like cancer. Treatment optimization. AI tools are helping clinicians deliver more tailored and effective treatments for individual patients. By analyzing a patient's genetic profile, medical history, and other health data, AI systems can recommend the optimal drugs, dosages, therapies, and lifestyle changes to most effectively manage a patient's condition. Over time, this personalized approach enabled by AI could significantly improve outcomes for patients.